Today, we've got something really important to share with you. This is a new product that is going to revolutionize gardening in South Africa. What is it going to do and what is it? Well, here we go. It's a fungus. It's a friendly fungus. This product is a fungus that we will be able to spray onto our plants. And what is it going to deal with? Wait for it. Red spider mite. You know, that awful thing. The other insect that this deals with, which is one of the critical areas, is whitefly. So, folks, what it is, let's find out its name first. It's called Bavaria bassiana. That is the name of this guy. It's found actually in Klein Willem. That's where they originally found this fungus. And you can use it all over your garden, and it's going to have no harmful effect on any beneficial insects. A long sentence, but what does it mean for you and I? What that means is it has no effect on bees. It's not going to kill the bee, neither is it going to kill the ladybird, and neither is it going to kill any predatory wasps. That is amazing. And I can stand here today and honestly say that this is so safe that, gosh, we can even eat it. So how does the friendly fungus work? Well, basically, you're going to take it, which is 2 grams, you're going to dilute it into 1 liter of water, and you're going to spray it on the plant that's infected. What then happens is the spores then land on the leaf or onto the insect, if you can see it. The spore then starts germinating. As the spore germinates, it then creates a little thing which is a feeding tube called a hyphae. The hyphae then penetrates the insect in some of its weakest points and then basically feeds off that insect, and the insect eventually dies from dehydration. What's really important with the Pest Pro is that it deals with the insect at every single stage of its life cycle. So whether it's the egg, whether it's the nymph, whether it's the larva, or whether it's the adult red spider mite or the whitefly, it will deal with it at every single stage. So in order to get rid of something like red spider, it takes 3 days. But most importantly, once you've mixed your product, you need to use this within 6 hours. It's important that you don't leave this in the blazing hot sun because remember, you're dealing with live products. In the case of red spider and a whitefly, we recommend 3 doses and work those a week apart. Remember, because you are getting other successions, and because this is not a knockdown, it's not spray and kill with residual effect. That's why, being an all-natural product, we recommend 3 applications in order for you to get the best results. So, folks, here we have it. It doesn't get any better than this. And you might be thinking, well, how can that be true? Well, it is completely true because you've got something that's friendly, it's easy to apply, and it has no toxicity. Those 3 things, for me, are complete winners.